Who's gonna pay for the ice cream? Hey everybody. So last minute call. Me and Andy, my 5 years old girl, are going camping. Just a really last minute. A campsite, and I've been here a few times before, but it's gonna be busy. We're gonna test a few other spots tomorrow. We're gonna try to look for waterfalls. First time camping with a 5 years old. Maybe I should have left earlier and not arrived late. Oh, I see. Yeah.
I had lots of fun camping.
That's right. All right, stick around. Let's have a crack and see. Wow, it's not too bad.
No dogs allowed.
No dogs allowed, no. Just like people is having fun. Peggy's missing on the fun, that's right. This spot is at the back, so there's way less people. So one here, one there. Yeah,
Dad,
maybe.
We have to call Mommy.
No, there's no reception, but you know what? Maybe we move the car back a bit. Or we live in.
Daddy, I'll bring my fishing pet. Can I show you my cartwheel?
Yeah, okay. Good job. What was first time? Go, that's yours.
Nanny.
First time using this king double. There we go.
Hey, can I have those little star crackers that's in my pink bag?
Yes. Okay, one for you, one for me. Look at Pops. I take one and I chuck it in. Two and I chuck it in. Put your things down, please. Two hands. That's it. See? They're going together. Hi. So this is a not sponsored video, but this company is called Old Sparks. I think I paid this $30. It's pretty good. Really good. Let's get some pegs. Here you go, Andy. I need one. Only one. Here you go. Put it down here. We do it together. Oh, we need a rope. We're missing a rope. Do we?
On the other side?
Yeah, I'm good. Okay. Need to the spin the hammer the other way around. Spin it. Yeah.
Need a hand on the right.
Oh, you're right. Thank you. Yeah, we're good. Thanks. That's it. That's it.
Why did they come?
They just come to be nice, to check on us if we were doing fine. Okay. What do you think about the tent, Andy? Do you like the tent?
Can I do it for a while?
Yeah, do whatever you like. Well, do it again. I wasn't pointing the camera. Good job. All right. Should we maybe make the fire now?
Yes!
Okay. Almost ready. Hey, wait. Say wait. Andy, back from the fire. Go back from the fire. So what do you think about camping, Andy? Are you ready to sleep? The lights is too much? Yeah, sorry. Are you comfy? Yeah? Alright. Night night. See you tomorrow. Do you have a good night's sleep? Yeah? Oh! Can you show your tent? Usually I have the awning. And cover the tent. I sold my awning. It's pretty
Daddy.
moist and damp today.
Daddy,
Yeah.
on the other side, there's a tent that can get easily built.
Yeah, that's right. But I think I prefer
It's
sleeping
like-
with the awning.
It's like this with a square shape in the middle to go in.
Oh, yeah. Oh, okay.
The moon is still up.
Okay. True. Quick coffee going. Italian coffee. Aussie Weet-Bix. Juice. Eggs. What's that? A frog? Yogi? Is that a frog? Gonna keep going? This is the scribbly gum. So this is a moth that starts eating his way up and then breaks up through and flies away. Is that cool?
Yeah, and there's more of
Yeah.
scratches. Here.
That's right. Should we keep going?
Yeah.
Do you know, this is made by termites. Look how big it is.
But how did they make it?
Oh, you can see a little bit inside. Look, some not nice person smashed it. But you can see that that's the inside. The termites make all little tunnels. These things takes years and years and years, and it's really hard. You can touch. Do you want to touch one of these? It's almost like concrete. Look how hard this is. Touch it. And some silly bugger just smashed the. That's pretty stupid. Alright, let's go. Let's go. Inside. Come. Look, the cave. Cranky girl, come on. I'm going in. Bye bye. I'll see you at the end. Come. Look how cool is this. We are going. There's no water in this one. What do you think about the cave? The horse is taking over. I think the ranger might be slacking a bit on this side of the track, eh? Look, the butterfly. It's like a welcome. Come, Andy. It's very cool here. It's a fairyland bush. Good job. Can you show me?
I don't know how to.
What about you put your, yeah, and then 1 foot. That's a big jump.
Can you hold me?
Yeah, I think I need to help you. Where is it?
I can see it there.
Oh. Are you gonna be first or I'm gonna be first?
I want to be first.
Just watch your steps. Come on.
I can't do it.
Let me see if you can do it. Yeah. Good idea. Well done. Well done. That's a good idea. That's a good way. What? Maybe come this way. What?
Remember one time you got wet in the waterfall?
Yeah. What do you think? What do you think? Oh. It's not a fish, I think it's an insect. You see it? Oh wow, it's really quick. we don't pull them, it's gonna take forever for the plant to grow roots on the ground. Isn't that cool? Pretty proud with my little girl. We are leaving the campsite. Burralow, I just can't pronounce it. I just put the name right here. But it's really close to Sydney. We definitely going, it's really hot now. We're going to see and find the Colo River and to find a couple of more suitable campsite, not to stay, but for next time. All right, I'll see you soon. This is a pretty amazing spot. Bye, Mom. This is Wheeny Creek campground. The only bummer, you put the car there and basically you need to put your tent on this side. I prefer to camp next to the car, but so I guess, you know, everybody's different. It's all right. I presume, yeah, there's a Wheeny Creek just down here, which looks pretty cool. Oh, nice. My wake handy up. Sandy button, yeah. There's a swing. We can have a swim here first and move around. Pretty sandy. It's nice for a nice sleep. I could have come here actually. That's a big swingy.
Can we careful? I can go down.
Go. You coming back? You're cheeky. So I never done the G's Army Trail, but I just passed the north section. I forgot to record it. And there is a south section. It seems like the north section is already been gated. I don't know which one usually people do. This is the stunning place, stunning part of the Waterfalls National Park. Tiny church and cemetery. So this is it, Hawkesbury City Council Upper Colo River Reserve. Just want to check it out. Apparently it is a big open space. Looks like it. Any sorts of car.
Wow.
Notice campground fully booked. I know, it's fully booked, fully booked. You ready for a race?
Yeah?
The last one is gonna pay for the ice cream. 3, 2, 1, via. Who's gonna pay for the ice cream? Ah, looks like I'm paying for the ice cream. No! That was fun. Okay, sounds like it. So at the end of the weekend, did you have fun, Andy?
Yeah.
It's good? Really good. So we are on the Colo River. I think it's called Colo Reserve. It's a stunning place for kids Andy's age. Yeah, it's lots of family now. The group there. You can camp up here, walking down. Just amazing. Just the Colo. It's all sandy. I was talking to a guy. There's no farms on the north side of north side of here, so it's water pretty clean.
Put it to me.
Okay, say goodbye. Thanks for watching and say subscribe. All right, thank you.